Good evening, everybody. High up in Larder Lake here. Let's get these engines going. Yeah, let's take it up for a hover. We're gonna go out a little bit of a different way tonight. I think I wanted to be one more road over. Just check how it hovers. Everything's looking good. Okay. Doesn't seem to be drifting at all. See y'all a little bit. Y'all's working. Forward. Backward. Left. Right. Alright, let's go up. And get across this road. And then I just want to follow it out, but I'm drifting and going up. Yeah, I think I want to be in the next road over for sure next time. Yeah. It'll give me a nice clear path out next time. Back in a little bit. Alright, let's see. Push it out here along the path. See what we can get. At about 300 meters now. Still got it in view. Still got a nice line of sight on it. Yeah, this was an alright spot. There I am, out over the water. Got it there, nice line of sight. Almost. Come over a tiny bit though. There we go. I'm not sure what happened there. It's giving me a battery warning. coming back home though. Let's cancel that. It's got lots of battery, so. I don't know why it's warning me. Move back down anyway. Just a height warning? Wasn't even up that high. I was only up at 100. We're allowed to fly up to 120. Alright. Seems to have battery. Let's give it some speed. Let's really push it out there. See if I can get over this lake. So that was a height warning that it was giving me. Got a nice view from here though. Let's see what we can get. 270, still got it. Can still see it there. Looks like a bird. It's hard to see out that far though. Unless you know right where you're watching. 400, I'm getting signal breakup. It's around 450 signal break. So I got out about 500. Signal breakup around 450 though. I'm coming from right over there. There it is. Get out to the water a little bit. Nice view of the water tonight. And it is kind of running low on battery. I'm not sure what my time's at. I might not even be recording tonight. Let's bring it back in for a landing. Oh yeah, I'm sport mode. That was not too bad at all. A little less in sport mode though. Let's come on down. Actually, let's auto hum it, just to see where it's going to go. See how close it gets to a tone point. Not bad. Alright, thanks everybody for watching.